Increasingly, hydrocarbon gas compression applications must deal with gas that contains hydrocarbon liquids and water. Conventional solutions to the challenges of wet gas compression require very large and heavy equipment. Now Dresser-Rand combines two technologies in one game-changing innovation. Introducing DATUM ICS, the integrated compression system, centrifugal separation technology, and DATUM compression technology in a compact single-lift package. Building on its successful DATUM multi-stage centrifugal compressor product line, Dresser-Rand worked with Curtiss-Wright EMD, a subsidiary of Curtiss-Wright Corporation, adding an electric motor to develop an integral, high-speed, close-coupled, motor-driven, zero-emissions centrifugal compressor, the DATUM-C. Then Dresser-Rand added its proprietary centrifugal separator technology to create the basis of the DATUM ICS. Within a single casing, the DATUM ICS removes entrained liquids before they enter the compression stage. The unique advantages over existing technology are evident in this look at the system's centrifugal separator. Fluid enters the compressor intake nozzle and is directed through an initial static separation zone where swirl vanes impart some centrifugal force to the fluids. This allows the bulk liquids to drain off the process gas. The remaining gas is directed through a higher intensity swirl and into a rotating drum. In contrast, conventional solutions use static walls, causing the inevitable re-entrainment of liquids. The rotating drum in the DATUM ICS allows a higher percentage of liquids to be effectively removed before they enter the compression stage and adversely affect the compressor's performance, reliability, and maintenance cycle. Dresser-Rand designed the DATUM ICS demonstration unit to prove the concept of separating liquids and compressing gas in a single case. On the Dresser-Rand test stand, water, oil, or a combination are injected into the gas stream. Pressures and flow rates can be varied to simulate a variety of field conditions. Viewing ports provide quick visual inspection of wet gas entering the DATUM ICS unit and dry, compressed gas as it exits. During initial tests of the DATUM ICS demonstration unit, at a water injection flow rate of 340 barrels per day, the inlet was heavily fogged. The clarity of the discharge viewing port shows that the separator functioned very effectively. In fact, the separation technology achieved liquids removal greater than 99.5%. Even at 680 barrels per day water injection flow rate and nearly double the liquid mass fraction, the discharge port shows the separator still functioning very effectively, with separation efficiency still greater than 99%. Compare the size and weight of DATUM ICS to a conventional wet gas compression solution. You'll find a reduction in the footprint and weight of approximately 50%. When compared with conventional solutions, those reductions translate to smaller offshore platforms, smaller FPSOs, and smaller space requirements in refineries. Another benefit of the DATUM ICS is the improvement in reliability obtained by removing liquids from the gas stream. Liquids foul impellers and degrade performance as more energy is required to compress wet gas, and compressing wet gas leads to more frequent and costly maintenance. This impeller shows the severe erosion damage caused by liquid carryover into the compressor. Examination of the leading edge of the impeller blade shows significant gouging. In this case, the damage has been so great that the reverse side shows where holes have formed in several areas. This type of wear greatly impacts the reliability and operability of the machine. Removing liquids from the gas stream can prevent this from happening. In this example, the cover of the impeller has been removed to better show the erosion patterns on the impeller blades. Severe gouging and cutting is apparent at the leading edge of the blades. This affects the throat area of the impeller and severely impacts the performance of the stage. Removing liquids from the flow path ensures that the compressor will operate as designed for extended periods of time. Increased reliability and smaller footprint translate into lower capital and operating expense for Arctic Circle and deep subsea applications. The ability to place a compressor closer to the floor of the seabed can also mean lower pressures and extended life for oil and gas wells. Dresser-Rand is uniquely qualified to integrate its DATUM compressor technology with centrifugal separator technology and control system expertise to deliver the DATUM ICS. Engineered, packaged, and tested as an innovative wet gas compression solution, the DATUM ICS offers enhanced reliability with reduced weight and footprint, resulting in lower total costs of ownership. The DATUM ICS Integrated Compression System, only from Dresser-Rand.